Go to Create Recipe. Enter recipe name and select recipe group. Keep the same PLU number available on EPOS. Update recipe tags and select ingredients of the recipe by inputting ingredient quantity and usage unit. Recipes can be made from one ingredient or many. To add a new ingredient, click the Add Ingredients button to display the ingredient field. Recipe ingredients can be raw products or sub-recipes, called batches. Total recipe cost will be calculated by the system. Enter sales price, and GP% will be automatically calculated by the system. Target GP can also be set up. Images can also be uploaded up to 3 megabytes. And save the recipe. The info page under the recipe allows the user to update the recipe procedure, presentation, and notes. The recipe can be printed for multiple prospects.